Today I'm going to be reviewing the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides powder. This is an awesome powder that you can add to drinks such as coffee, that you can even use in different recipes for like keto recipes and things like that. With 20 grams of collagen per serving, that's 2 scoops, and being paleo and keto friendly, this is a must-have to keep in stock. So I personally use the unflavored version of the powder to keep my options open with possibilities. What I really like to use it for is inside my coffee. So I just add a scoop to my coffee and I just stir it around and it completely disappears in my coffee. You can't even taste it. And the unflavored version definitely helps you out with that too as well. There's no gritty flavor to it or anything like that in your mouth that you're going to taste. Just stir it into a nice hot cup of coffee and you're good to go. So I put 2 scoops of this right here will give you 18 grams of protein and 20 grams of collagen. So I hope you enjoy it. It is definitely a must-have for paleo and keto diet.